Welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we take a look at Akita coin, study what it is all about, how to buy it, and all that fun stuff. So let's get into it. Please check the link in the description box to find more details about this currency.
It is not a financial advice. This video is for informational purposes only. So this is the Coingecko listing of Akita Inu. It is also known as AKITA, and currently it is priced at 0 point multiple zeros and 140. And as you can see that currently it has a trading volume of approximately 6 million. The all-time high that has been seen was 0 point multiple zeros 2904, and the all-time low that was observed was 0 and multiple zeros, and towards the end it's 5107. And over the past 30 days it has decreased by 82.5%. Over the 24 hours it has again decreased by 0.9%. And here is a quick look at the Akita Inu price chart, just so that you can get an idea about how they are performing. So if you see it from the period of max, so since the time it was launched, so as you can see that the price was very low till this point, and then it kind of did this whole spike on the 10th of May and went to the highest it has been so far. So if you're somebody who would be interested to get into Akita Inu, I do recommend you to get it into the price that we have here, because if the history repeat itself and if the price goes all the way here, you will make a lot of profit. And this is the official website of Akita Inu. This is what the dog looks like. So as per the website, Akita Inu started as a meme and now will bridge to Avalanche for project governance, which is empowering our community. You can click here to join the Telegram, Discord, and Twitter. Let's check out the Twitter page to see how the fan following is doing right now. It has 16.9k followers, which is not a lot when you compare it with coins like Shiba Inu, Kishu Inu, Dogecoin, and all that stuff. But it also means that since this coin is not yet popular, it does have a lot of potential to go viral, and if it does, the price might increase and there is a chance for you to make a lot of money as well. So this is just the latest news, just to keep yourself updated. There is an expected release in June for decentralized exchange on Avalanche, and Akita governance will be available on Polarfox, which is called as announcing G Akita. How to buy Akita Inu on Uniswap. Connect your wallet and swap Ethereum with Akita. Make sure you adopt a price slippage and get enough Ethereum for the fees in your wallet. And eventually you can also add liquidity to the Uniswap pool. So this is like a step-by-step instructions on how to buy Akita Inu. So first you're going to download the MetaMask, you're going to buy some Ethereum, you're going to transfer them to MetaMask, you're going to connect to Uniswap, eventually you're going to swap Ethereum to Akita, and eventually if you want, you can add liquidity. If you would like to buy Akita Inu coin, please check the link in the description box below to find more information. So what is G Akita? G Akita will be a governance token of Akita network. G Akita will incentivize leadership from within community, which will leverage the power of network in all fundraising, development, and trajectory. G Akita will only be minted during a 16-day period in which Akita holders will be able to stake their Akita to earn G Akita. Stake that G Akita and earn more G Akita. G Akita is not required to interact within the network. So overall, I would like to say that most seasoned cryptocurrency investors will tell you that there are much better investment in the cryptocurrency market than Akita Inu tokens. While you may be able to make a quick buck, it's unlikely that these tokens will hold their value over the long term. If you're looking for a safer cryptocurrency option that still has the potential for higher return in a long term, you can consider cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Uniswap, and Bitcoin. But again, it all depends on the risk you are willing to take. So if you're somebody who does not mind spending like $100 just to test this coin and keep it in this cryptocurrency for like 1 year, and if you don't even need that $100 right now, go take that risk, because considering the fact that Elon Musk is kind of pumping Dogecoin and it's getting more and more hyped in the market, there is a potential that Akita might increase in the price as well. And if it does, your $100 might become $200 anytime soon. But it's all about the risk you're willing to take, so do your own research before investing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and found it helpful. Don't forget to check the link in the description box below to find more information. And yeah, if you have any more questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Gems. I shall see you guys in my next one. Bye.